In this video, I'll show you how to create this simple About Us page using HTML and CSS. As you can see, we have the image on the left and the information section on the right. We have this hover effects and the responsiveness looks like this. So let's get into it. In my project folder, I have this image. You can find the link in the description. I have this index.html file with the boilerplate. I linked the style sheet and changed the title. And this CSS file with the margin reset and font family pop-ins. And I also opened this HTML file on the browser using Live Server. Before we start, let's take a look at this final version. We basically have two boxes that are side by side. The one on the left has this image inside, and the box on the right has this text and these two buttons in the center. So basically, the first thing that we are going to create is a container with two boxes. So I will create a div with the class name container, and inside this container I will create two boxes, column left and column right. This one is going to be empty because there is going to be the image inside, and we will put the image inside using CSS. So I will leave this one empty. And inside the one on the right, I will create another div named About. And inside this div, I will create a h1 About Us. Right under it, a paragraph. I will create another div named Button Group. I will put two buttons inside. First one is going to be Learn More, and the second one, Contact. And this is it with the HTML part. So let's see how is it looking. Here we have the text and the buttons. We don't have the image yet. We will add the image using CSS. So let's get into styling. Inside the CSS file, first I will select the container and set the minimum height to 100 VH to make it cover the whole page. And I will make it a flex container using display flex. And now every child element of this container has become a flex item, which are the column left and the column right. And that means we can select them and giving them each flex one. We can basically give equal space to each of these boxes inside this container. And if I change the background color, you will see it better. And as you can see, we have two equally sized boxes that are side by side, which is just like the final version. But as you can see, the one on the right is just a bit bigger, but this is because of the padding that we are going to create. I will change the background color of the column right. I will set it to this grayish color. And let's delete the background color on the column left and put the image inside. I will center it. And as you can see, the image is not properly covering this box. And we can fix this using background size cover. And there you go. Now let's center these items and style them. So inside column right, we have another div, which is About. I will center this About in the center of this column right div. So right under this, I will make it a flex container. And using Align Item Center, I will bring everything into the center. And let's also create some padding, 5em. I will also select the About div and make it a flex container as well. I will change the flex direction to column to bring the text on top of each other. And I will put some gap between them. I will select the H1 and make it much bigger. Let's select the paragraph as well, make it bigger. I will select the button group and put some gap between them. And let's also style those buttons. I will make it bigger using padding 15 to 25. So we have 15 pixel of padding at the top and the bottom and 25 on the sides. I will increase the font size and font weight, a little border radius to add curvature, border 2 pixel solid black, and cursor is going to be pointer when you hover over it, and transition for the hover effect. And when you hover over this button, background color is going to be black, text color is going to be white, and we will make it just a bit bigger using transform scale 1.05. And for the second button, we will basically do the opposite. I will use the second one using nth of type. Background color is going to be black, border is going to be same, text color is going to be white, and when you hover over this one, we will make the background color white, text color black, and let's copy and paste the transform, and the hover effect looks like this, and the page looks like this now. We are basically done with the styling. The only thing left is to create the responsiveness. So basically when the viewport gets smaller, these two boxes are not going to be side by side. They are going to be stacked on top of each other. So I will create two breakpoints. First one, 1200 pixels. And the second one, 768. And when you hit this number in the viewport, container is going to change the flex direction to column, which is row by default. This is why the boxes are side by side. And I want the column left to be taking more space. So I will increase this flex number from 1 to 2. And we will decrease the padding on the column right to 0 to 5 em. And we will also make the H1 and the paragraph much smaller. Now let's see how this looks. Now as you can see, once we go down under 1200 pixels, the flex direction changes to column. But once we go down even more, these buttons are acting really weird, and we will fix them as well. So inside the second breakpoint, I will set the button's font size to 1 em, and I will lower the padding, and also I will select the button group and set the flex wrap to wrap. Now as you can see, once we go down under 768 pixels, the buttons are getting smaller, and once we go even smaller, they are basically wrapping inside this button group. And this is how you create a responsive About Us page using HTML and CSS. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you for your time, and I will see you next time.